Hey hot tubbers. In this video I'm going to answer the question of how late in the fall can you wait to drain and refill your hot tub. Hi, my name is Jackie and I'm the hot tub lady. Many people ask me this question all the time and it really does depend on where you live. In this video I'll give you the general guideline of when you should start thinking about draining and refilling your hot tub based on the average temperatures in your area, and you definitely don't want to do it when things are going to be hitting freezing. So stay tuned and I'm going to talk all about it. This is a really important question, and you definitely want to drain and refill your hot tub before the winter months hit. And the reason for that is you can't be doing it in the middle of winter. I do not want anybody draining their hot tubs in the middle of January, February, when it is super cold, especially like in my market. We can get as cold as 42 below, and that is the worst thing that you can do to your hot tub, is drain it during that time frame. So if you live someplace like Texas, Nevada, California, on the lower part of California, and you don't ever get snow, you're good. You can probably drain that hot tub anytime you want. But those of us who actually have true winters, you definitely want to drain your hot tub sometime between Halloween and Thanksgiving. I live pretty far north. My market is pretty far north. We're in South Dakota, and we definitely need to do that. If you, I'd say, are Nebraska or lower, you can probably drain that hot tub sometime between Thanksgiving and Christmas, but you definitely want to get it done. You want to make sure that you're going to get all the way through the winter with good water. And as we all know, that is the best time of year to actually use our hot tubs, so is those cold winter months. So the one thing I do recommend is you want to make sure you grab this pump right over here. Actually, it's going to be right over here, but grab that pump. You can actually drain your hot tub in 16 minutes or less. I have a huge 500-gallon hot tub. If you can drain your hot tub that quickly, it makes the process much faster. In fact, I'll link a video up here. You can check it out, but that's one of the things that you want to do. The number one rule about draining your hot tub in the fall and winter months is if you do drain it, you've got to fill it back up. You can't start it today and finish it tomorrow or finish it next Sunday. You've got to get that filled up and ready to roll before it actually hits freezing temperatures. Super important that you do that. I would actually highly recommend to think about actually only doing it during the week if possible, or sometime when you know that you can actually get a service tech out in case it is going to freeze before then. Another really great thing that you can have around is the tank heater. If you have that in your garage, I highly recommend anybody that has a hot tub who has winter to actually have one of these in your arsenal. You just want to have it in your garage. It's a total peace of mind to having that. But if you drain your hot tub after it's freezing and it doesn't fire back up, you just put that tank heater in a bucket and you're good to go. There's a video right up here that you can check out to do that. But if you just drain your hot tub sometime between Halloween and Thanksgiving, you're going to be good to go. That hot water is going to be amazing all winter long, and you're really going to enjoy your hot tub much more. And you'll get through till March or April, sometimes even May, and then you can drain it again. And even those of you that are on saltwater hot tubs, even if you haven't had it a year yet, I do recommend that you drain that hot tub sometime in the fall so you can get all the way through the winter with great hot tub water, and then that just becomes your routine. You're going to be draining those hot tubs every fall, and it's just a good idea to do that. So guys, I hope this was helpful. And YouTube thinks that you're not going to watch that video over here. I really think, or it might be over here, maybe this one, but I really think that you should make sure that you watch that, because we don't want to make YouTube liars, and I'm pretty sure I made the video. So guys, I'll see you next week. Thanks a lot.